Yes, Evelyn Cha. Guess who's back? Now you're back.
You would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you to love me even more. So let's see how you like this song. Yeah. Now don't go walking out the door, 'cause that's just somewhere you don't belong. Yeah. 'Cause ever since the day that I met you, I knew you were the girl of my dreams, but we could never be. We find love and we get up and we fall down. We give up.
2,000 years later.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I feel work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, ta, 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 ta. Drive me a dessert. Let them tell you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You send me, I feel why. You see me do my da. Tell me about that why. When you walk out, la. When the cash from my touch.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. That'll work, come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. I got niggas tryna end me off. Yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. need to forward. Give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me up there, work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the car from my church.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, welcome. I'm Anita Mgeni, and please don't leave without subscribing and joining our beautiful family. To the things of this, thank you so much guys for giving your support. I really appreciate it. Yes, Iwilinja. Guess who's back? Now you're back. Yo guys, I'm so tired. I'm here to open this vlog and okay, let me tell you what I've been DP. Guys, life has been lifing, man. Everything it be right and yeah. Okay, njengoba last vlog yami into bana been relocated to Joburg and yeah, yonke into right. Luckily got one nigga on seventy, so we are working guys. So yeah man, ndingathetha kuphelele mina namhlanje yonke if ndingathetha ngokulunga kaNkulunkulu in my life. Went to Joburg, kumnyama zange ndaya Joburg, andazi into eJoburg kodwa ndazixelela into yobana I'm going to Joburg and yeah. So I Joburg, luckily ndafumana umsebenzi and yeah, I'm so guys, I'm so happy, I'm at peace. Ayikho into fanisa nale peace endikuyo emhlabeni right now. So yeah, the reason why ke benqabile is because bensabhalansisa isikolo nomsebenzi. Bekunzima kona kuba ku big city ngapha imisebenzi ngapha sisikolo. Beuningi, but yeah, I'm back like I never left. But now I'm in Port Elizabeth and again it's in this Port Elizabeth and uzoyibona mhlambi ekuhambeni kwe-vlog or kwi-video elandelayo. I'm here to open this vlog and ndizokwenza i-room tour because I'm in a Airbnb ngoku and guys ndiphahluke and I'm waiting for my mom and yazi ke once uyokhona umama apha. Okay, cela ukubonisa i-room tour. It's nothing fancy too, it's just okay, let me show you. Okay, ndizoqala kweli cala endikulo ke it's just a bed and this thing, go show, but oh, that is my suitcase because akudalanga ndifikile apha and yeah, the door. That's TV. I like higher. Never mind those, okay? The kitchen set. The kitchen. You want to so interested. Okay. And then yeah, this is the kitchen side. Microwave and the stove. It's very clean, yes. Oh, and this smells so nice. Okay, my windows I want. This side is the bathroom side. It's clean. It's clean. It smells so fresh. And that is me. Never mind the games. Bituna. Ngathi boqhelwa mna kule pasika. Ngathi bidi yakho yepasika baske. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, sana ndaziva apha iitekhundo zabantu. Bendicinga kune-bathtub yazi ke azibenzisa well. But ke it's fine. It's okay. And then this is me again. Oh, I'm so fit. This is me again. Sana alazi licingo lantoni but andizolivula. Yaba la macala angavulwa. So yeah. Enje le ndawo. Mandiza kanje and then let me show you mandiza ngasemnyango. This is it. Oh, andiqabelanga uba nazi ne-fridge. Then kitchen stools. Okay. Oh. Nazokuyenza ngoku ke because kuyabanda apha ekhaya. So okay, it's empty the fridge and kunibisi lana and yeah, guys. And yeah, I guess ngoku ndizovasa because I am so tired. Ndizovasa and then make something to eat. And then Netflix, sleep and wait for my mom. So yeah, guys, I'm back with talato zakwa-YouTube and nzinzi back ndibuye ndizozinza ukuzinza.
You can get it.